Hello everyone, my name is Adam Abate, a tutor at Duke Williams Company Limited. Duke Williams is an ACCA Gold accredited learning provider in Ghana. In this video, I will share with you how to study ACCA online effectively. Before you start the ACCA online course, you need to do the following. You need to download and read the syllabus and study guide for the paper. This material is available on the ACCA website. It's part of the student study resources or student support resources. So on the ACCA website, accaglobal.com, search for student support resources. And for the particular paper you want to write or you want to study, download the syllabus and study guide and read. You get to know the topics and how these topics will be examined. Now, for each topic, always refer to the detailed study guide before you watch the online video. What this does is that it helps you identify which areas you need to be looking at and paying attention to as you watch the video. Because from the study guide, you would have an idea of how the topic will be examined. You need a daily study plan, a daily timetable. So it means you have to prepare a daily study timetable for yourself. And this will guide you how you can watch the videos online. Now, you can use the scheme of work or call it the lecture sequence provided by your tuition provider to draw up this personal timetable. And you need to ensure that you are consistent, you are disciplined with a timetable. You also have to download all the course notes and if possible have them printed. So the course note from your tuition provider, download them and have them printed if possible. Now, when you have the material, what you can do is you can have a quick read of the topic area before you watch the video. Or when you have it printed, as you watch the video, you can follow the material and make notes where possible. You also need to download the lecture sequence. Of course, you need this to prepare your own, your personal study plan. And often on the lecture sequence or on the study guide, you have the topic and related video. Now, I have here a template of a personal timetable that you can use to guide how you watch the videos. So, a minimum of 10 hours per each week, and then also for each weekend, a minimum of 6 hours. What this means is that you have 16 hours each week. And on a normal course, you have between 6 to 8 weeks for the tuition. So each weekday, which is Monday to Fridays, you have to choose the time that best suits your schedule. So I have early morning or dawn, which is 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Then late early morning, we have 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Then we have evening, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. And then we have late evening, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. So because we know you work, so depending on your work schedule, choose any of these timings that suit your schedules. So if you are a morning person, you'd want to look at the 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. or the 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. If you're an evening person, you want to look at the 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. or 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. And each of these timings is for a period of 2 hours. Because we said that for each weekday, you need 10 hours. So for each of the weekdays over the learning period or the teaching period, you need 10 hours. So on a daily basis, you need 2 hours. And for Monday to Friday, that will give you 10 hours. And the activity should be taken from the scheme of work or the lecture sequence provided. So you look at the topic and the relevant what? Video. Now, when you come to the weekend, Saturdays and Sundays, because often you are not working over the weekend, the timings can be flexible. So you can select the time that will best suit you over the weekend, but ensure that you stick to 2 hours maximum for each session you want to watch a video. And when you have 3 of these sessions for Saturday, Sundays, that gives you a total of 6 hours. Now, what are the activities you'll be looking at over the weekend? Now, you can use the weekend sessions to recap some of the topics you covered during the weekday, or revise some of the most complex or difficult topics you covered during the weekday. Again, use the weekend to do your assignments. Use the weekend to practice a lot of exam standard questions and review your answer. So use this template to develop a study plan for yourself. And you must be consistent, you must be disciplined, and stick to it throughout the teaching session or the tuition phase, through to the revision and mock exam. Now, some few tips to apply when you are watching the videos online. You have to be in a sitting position as you watch the videos. Now, what this makes you feel is that you feel as though you are in a classroom environment. You need not be lying down as you watch the video. You need to be sitting, so you can even take notes. You can even write, and that gives you a high level of concentration. Use a laptop. Better still, you can use a desktop or a tablet to watch the videos. Minimize the use of mobile phones. And this is to help you avoid distractions. And you can use a mobile phone when, for instance, you're on your way to work, or you're from work, and you just want to recap some of the topics. So you can watch the videos on your phone. But most of the times, as you watch the videos, you must use a laptop or a desktop. And as you watch the videos, ensure that you put your phones on silent or at a place where you are not going to be distracted by phone calls or messages. So your phone should be away from you as you watch the videos. That allows you to concentrate on the videos. Take notes as you watch the videos. Now, when you take notes as you watch the videos, it gives you a better perspective. So these are your own summaries you are making as you watch the videos. It helps you understand the topics or the issues better. And from these notes, you can get to develop questions that you want to forward to the tutor. And as you watch the videos, ensure that you take 10 minutes break, minimum of 10 minutes breaks after every 45 to 1 hour. And what it means is that you are not to sit for more than an hour to watch the video. You can break. So you break for a minimum of 10 or 15 minutes and come back to continue. It allows you to freshen up and refocus to continue the videos. Ensure that you set the engagement platform used by your tuition provider for the course. And some of these engagement platforms can be WhatsApp groups, can be via email, or any other medium used to engage you on the course. Ensure that you set it as a priority. You are always looking at the page to see if there is a new information. Are there assignments posted so you can quickly attend to these assignments? Are there information from your tutor? Are there questions from your tutor that need to be addressed? So you set it as a priority. And on that engagement platform, you have to be active on the platform. Ask questions on the platform. Follow all discussions on the platform. This way, you can make the maximum use of the online resources. I hope this guide helps you to have an effective ACCA online course in order to prepare to pass your exam.